distraught when they first met. So they eventually ended up in this relationship for about 3 years. And she found out
about Zion still have to go through all this shit.
I think that was something that
all right, check it out.
wanted to do.
Allergy season.
To show that they were going to ignore George Floyd's,
nice cloudy air. It's great.
Talked about how they both got hooked using prescription off and on throughout their relationship.
So yeah, it was a nuanced portrait, but overall, spark of life, I think, is a good way to describe it. After the prosecution had a chance to show that the defense attorney Eric Nelson had an opportunity to cross-examine the she testified that Floyd was hospitalized for an overdose of pills.
God, should have kept that Osmo camera, but I have an Android, so not quite. I don't know. I guess I could have bought a little connector, but so I guess. Still on the riding these off roads just about every day. About 15 minutes worth of yummy, sandy, bumpy road. Sometimes when it's raining, like, this shit's crazy. I mean, it doesn't get muddy, it's like sand, so it's just like, it's pretty cool. The car does pretty good. I like sometimes going through the puddles. I did get stuck once. That was funny. Oh shit. I'm going too fast. And yeah, I got a ticket. I think I'm gonna get a ticket tomorrow. Yeah, from yesterday, because I messed up. I was going too fast. And there was this like little sheriff box that was hanging out, and anyways, I didn't notice it until it was like flashing red and blue lights. Then I realized I was in trouble. Haven't had a ticket in decades. I just messed up my perfect driving record. Okay. So this is like really smooth, sandy area. Somebody hit that. I don't know. Oh my god. Let's see. Some of my precious trees that I love. These are thousands of years old. Because the moss on there, it takes a very long time to grow. And where is it? Oh, here it is. Oh my god. Okay, here. Somebody came in and took an old tree from there, you can tell. Dragged it home. I've seen them on like really rich people's yards and stuff. They can be worth a lot of money, but they are protected. They're supposed to be protected, I think. I'll have to look into that. Because I think that's a recent thing. Anyways, yeah. So that sucks. But this is the road I gotta drive through. It's not too bad. This isn't too bad right here. I started recording right before that crazy wild part that one must go through. And I didn't show. I'll show it next time. But I've seen big trucks in that they do pull aside for me. I believe that the lower the car is, the easier the bumpy rides will be. So I do manage to drive here pretty fast, and I do drive it like kind of like a I don't know, race car or something. A little buggy car. I do strategize the way I'm driving. So sometimes I'll pull to the side because right through the middle, it's like really, really bumpy and your car will just go boop, 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 boop. So if I could try to like just do a lot, I don't know if these are just my tire tracks or somebody else. I know there's other people with small cars out here who are not gonna drive right through the middle, because it used to, before I started doing this and other people started doing it, it was really, really deep right in the middle, and it would scratch the roof or the bottom, not the roofs, the bottom part of the car. And now it's not like that. It's pretty much even, except for, you know, these little holes here and there. See, if I drive don't pay attention, I'm gonna do this a lot. Boom, boom. You know, 2 roads go the same way. Now there's people. We'll get lost out here. It can be pretty scary. Here we go. Oh my God, look at that. Freaking dust. I'm pretty sure it's allergy. I'd stop and record more, but I am super late to work. I need to get my ass over there, make some money. Because that's my trade in